Yes, we are here at Zarks Burger. Burgers. Zarks Burger.
Zarks Burger.
Yeah. 20 years ago, I was in Dumaguete. May natigok. Si Elnora. So ito, iraraos lang namin. We have a simple payak. I don't know if you can call it a celebration. It's a commemoration. What is this?
Fries with sour sauce.
Sarap. In order kong I ordered this. Sabi ko, is it a typical burger? Kasi ayoko mag-experiment. It isn't a typical burger. So, but they did not give me cutlery. Nasa Las Pinas ako, Robinsons Mall for the renewal, very late renewal of my PRC. My God, hindi pa ako masyadong nakakaupo at nakapahinga after ko i-submit yung aking mga requirements. Tinawag na ako ng kabilang window. Na-print out na ang aking new PRC ID. You know, pag nag-re-register ako for renewal, I think this is my third, fourth, or maybe fifth time na nagre-renew dito. Hindi alam, okay naman. Fourth pa lang. Kasi hindi ako makakuha ng earliest slot sa ibang PRC centers, Philippine Regulation Commission centers. So, lagi akong nakakakuha ng the earliest dito sa Las Pinas. And always, kahit na medyo malayo ang biyahe, mag-invest ka ng pamasahe, it's so worth it kasi laging walang tao. I'm now compliant except na wala pa akong dissuade. So, nakasakay na ako ng bus pabalik ng Pasay. Hindi na ako bababa ng PTEX. Tapos sasakay ng bus uli or train. Coming here, nagano ako LRT, PTEX bus, papuntang Robinsons. So this time, I decided to go straight kasi merong tuloy-tuloy papuntang London. Tapos, bababa ako ng V2 Cruise Taft. So, 52 pesos. Medyo maingay kasi sa likod ako nakaupo para maluwag. Tapos, ayan, may aircon na hindi nakaharap sa araw, sa afternoon sun. After the PRC, kumain ako sa labas. Merong pares. Nagpares ako. And, nag-ukay-ukay na din ako. May nabili akong dalawang piraso. Long sleeves na stripes, dark, at saka hoodie na stripes. Ang ingay, magagamit ko ba to? I'm at the 12th floor of Benilde, the design school. I'm going to attend a talk on dilemma of restoration. It's a Friday. I have better things to do, but I'm here anyways. I'm kind of lost. Well, that is a nice talk. Meron ako gusto kong itanong pero hindi ko natanong. Nahiya ako. I wanted to ask if after all the renovation, does the house still feel like 6 generations live there? Or does it feel like it's a new house? Anyway, hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. May titignan ako dyan sa kabila, yung Sinulid. It's another, parang meron silang exhibition. We'll see. One of my favorites, Elijah, Mananghaya. I could wear that. Another pick of mine by Ysavel Soriano. I remembered when I graduated in high school, I wore a black barong to my mother's consternation. I also like this one by Micah Lao. I think I can wear that. But I want something white. Or maybe yung black na din yan. We'll just limit our choices to the top 3 I like. But this batch is very creative. I'm sure as the other batches as well. This gown reminds me of a debut that I attended more than siguro mga 30 years ago. It was a debut of my classmate back in college. Hindi ganyan-ganyan, pero yung, you know, yung Maria Antoinette, she looked splendid when she did the dance.